Dayan in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys.
Guys, one screen away, okay? One screen away, one screen away. So we don't get typed.
Food up, food up.
Okay.
Sino mag-call? Ikaw na.
Ikaw na, Tricky. Kaya mo yan.
Sino may robe? Wait lang.
Tangina.
Nakita niyo yung sa map may red. Wala pa nga eh.
Mount dismount. Oh my God. That hit hard.
Wait, robe again.
Sunurin yung robe natin, bigla nagda-drop.
Sino nga yung robe?
Food up, guys. Food up.
Wait, so Toby, you go first jacket, then
Yuri.
I go.
Ay.
Sir.
Okay.
Mamaya bang
Newbie lang ako. First time ko lang
mag-3 makakalaro kayo.
Anong gagawin?
Ay, wag kayo dumikit sa akin. Layo kayo. Chup.
Okay.
Rob yourself. 6 stacks ha.
Jacket, sir.
Gago.
Talo na.
One run behind. I see one run behind.
Tatalon ulit.
Be careful, guys. Stay healthy, please.
Dropping reset, dropping reset, dropping reset.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Calming.
Calming, let's go.
Wait lang.
Dodge, please. Dodge. Did you inspect him?
Yung si Rusty. W4.
Mamaya nga 9 or 8 makakalaro kayo.
Bakit? Anong content ba natin?
Scream nga.
Scrims? Okay.
Wait lang.
Hindi ko lang sure.
Iron Rod.
Kasama.
Sino Iron Rod?
Kapag
In-Iron Rod ba yan yun? Go. Go dyan.
Okay, drop rope.
Check. Thank you for the jacket.
Motherfucker. God damn.
My jacket.
Grabe ka.
You guys can see the big circle, right?
Think kayo on a cellphone pala. Sabihin ko na lang
Wait, Dan.
I will tell
Yeah,
if
Dan.
about the jump. Sino ba yung interrupt?
Wala tayong interrupt, boss.
Turn on that
wala.
show.
Yung heal. Dapat naka-pinned, no? Yung turo sa tunes.
Yung, ano? Future, ganun.
This is gonna hurt.
Wow.
Probe, guys.
Careful.
Dodge.
Dodge. Nice one. I am using my jacket. To the cooldowns.
Stay here. Just robe if you're ready. Just robe if you're ready. Wait lang. 6 stack. Dodge.
With them.
Wait. Dodge. Ay, no. Dodge again.
Nice.
Stay here. Just rub if you're red. Stay here. Wait, don't rub if not. They're not all there. Just rub if you're red. Wait, kalm kayo.
Ayun.
Wait, paano horror? I think, do you have, wait, yung ano, wave
Yung-
helmet, push the mob. Wait, can you stay here? Just stay here. Rob when you're ready. Don't attack it. I try to pull them.
Rope.
Rob.
Okay, wait, polling guys. Drop. Dodge,
Dodge,
dodge.
dodge.
Dodge the big circle. Jesus Christ. Let me cry.
Okay, I'm getting aggro.
Again, calming.
Coming?
Calming. I think,
No, I don't think we
No?
need that.
One red.
Coming, I'm coming. Still not one?
let's go. What's the IP?
Did someone inspect?
Naked.
Naked.
Okay. Wait, none. I mean, I know how to do it. Okay, again. Oh, wait.
China.
China does. Hell no, these guys are problem.
I think we should Arbok here.
Oh, he is a
Arbok.
scout, bro. Yeah,
And
he's
you
a
are
scout.
on your own now.
Yeah, those
You are on your own. Arbok.
Our back, guys.
dude.
Let's just find.
I know how to,
He's a scout.
like kuya,
Party,
di ba
party.
yung dalawa? That,
Oo.
yung isang mob lang muna yung ta-target.
Yeah, you were losing
Kasi
the
mahirap,
aggro for some reason.
naghihiwalay sila yung for one mob only.
Yeah, I don't do generous a lot of aggro.
Fucking hell. Oh my god. Guys, go Reaper. Repair. If you guys got knocked down, repair. Who can go in?
Wait, the gaming is not here yet.
Oh yeah. My bad.
Coming. Another. Yeah, here.
Okay. Can someone go in and check for the
I
map?
go in, I go in, I go in, I go in.
Okay.
On. Sai out.
Sinos. Yeah, we can see that from outside.
Yeah, I don't think there's something here.
Inches.
4,
Lilive
6,
party
7.
ba siya?
Oo. Live party. Para then
Yeah, aring back.
invite us, Yuri. If you come here. Invite me pala. Ako gabza. Then give me party lead. Who go in? So, yes.
We still okay. Hideouts. Even hideouts are doing bad right now.
Invite me, Toby. Ah, wait. Hindi pa nagre-reset eh. Where are you? Okay, go in.
I think go in. Tara, go in. Pero di ko pa
Yeah.
chinecheck eh. Check ko muna. Check ko ba muna?
Pwedeng i-check mo muna. Para lang sure tayo.
Clear.
Or go in na.
Kasi.
Okay, go in. Go in, guys. Then go straight. Can use entrance. That's fine. You still have 3 minutes, I guess.
Yeah, we are here.
I-check
do you-
naman. Tatlo kasi yung gold eh.
Sige, i-check ko yung sa may north. O kaya sa may southeast na.
P6 to. 8 pala dapat, no?
Gold is gold. Are you guys in? The two guys?
What the fuck? What map are you guys on?
To test. Yung diretso.
Sige,
Yeah,
okay.
dire-diretso lang yan.
Okay. I thought. Okay, you got me very, very scared. I thought I got in the wrong map, ah.
Wrong hole. Shit.
Yes, sir. Wrong hole.
Scary.
If we see reds, we don't fight.
Red. Ano? Farming.
Ping.
Ayun
If
no,
you see it.
lab sila. Tama.
Oh my god, that's the one.
Doon na lang
What's
tayo
the
sa white. What
Yeah.
IQ 1-1. 1.
This is epic, guys.
killable, man?
Mga ano lang din sila. Patayin ka. Ay, hindi. No. Di ba, we
Wag,
don't
wag.
fight. Let's
We
just
don't fight,
die
guys.
there. Ano yan?
I don't want you guys to die.
Do you want me to take this portal?
This one is purple chest. I'll check this one.
Location of the red?
Sa ano? North.
North side.
Yeah, there's a blob.
Think we can kill
Gusto nyo
them
blue
later.
chest na lang.
This is
T4
blue chest.
wag na pala.
This is blue chest. Let's dig the purple. Up right here.
So tell me, how
After
do
we
I kill
take
it? I don't know.
this, we are back.
Okay.
I hope everything goes well. I certainly don't want to PvP with Iron Dot.
Where is Toby? Where are you?
2 minutes, bro. I think on the way. He's on the water, bro.
Okay. Toby
We
is here.
start from the other side.
Just go straight to us, Toby.
What is Toby using, bro? What Toby weapon?
Shadow.
Shadow color, okay. What year?
7, but high spec.
Wait for Toby, guys. Wait for Toby.
Dito ba tayo una?
Oh. I think we can clear this na. Itong nasa harapan. You guys think we can clear this na?
I guess.
Wait, kill nyo muna first. The small first.
Kill the balls, bro.
Okay. Oh, Rob left. Wait,
Dodge.
Dodge.
But,
Dodge again.
bitch.
Dodge again. Dodge again.
Dropping reset.
Ang hirap po yan, no?
Please. Do not cut.
Dodge again.
Do not touch the abilities, please. Don't stress our healer.
Dodge again.
God damn.
May root down ba tayo?
Wala tayo rootbound, bro.
But my character
Dot.
doesn't move. What?
TLT.
Wait.
Drop druid.
Can you mark
Drop
one
druid.
of the mobs? Mark.
Wait. I'll give you
Carl
party lead. Toby, Can you give me the party lead? Hello.
Just run here if there's any. Yeah,
Give me
Rob now.
the lead. Shit. Okay.
You should target. Nah, it's fine.
Using that. Nice.
We can kill both at the same time.
What year? What years?
T6 pala.
Oh, T6. Kaya pala malambot.
Okay lang.
Easy clear this. Easy clear.
Oh, shit.
Kill the white one.
Or the black one.
Black
Okay,
one?
black.
Yeah,
Kill
the
priest.
healer.
Rob now.
We kill both.
Wait.
You just link them both.
Yeah, I linked them both.
They're just
I
good.
think they're
Gonna
gonna
die naturally.
Oh my god.
Maybe we
Nice.
can clear this also.
Using
Touch.
jacket. Oh yeah, that thing
Motherfucker.
comes. Another dodge.
We should
Dodge.
Linking you with
calm or not.
Dropping reset on the middle, ah.
Tell me if I got Rob. Just Rob again.
Okay, I'm using my this shit.
Dodge, bro.
Shit. Bitch. Silence.
Ah,
Jackets. What's jacket?
yeah, Toby, you can use your jacket after mine. Yes. You should just used it.
Shit. We didn't dodge.
Okay, he's
Nice.
link them again. 2 DPS using my jacket. Okay, link them.
Dodge, guys. Dropping reset on the middle. Get your heals. Get your heals.
Nice dodge.
Dodge, dodge.
Fuck. Dodge.
Dodge.
Sakit.
Oh my god, bro.
If we get dive, you die. God damn. So you need to dodge in
Dodge.
order to not die. Amen. Amen. Oh shit, 30.
Let him pull.
Dodge, guys.
Dodge. Using my jacket. Come to a corner. They can move us around.
Nice dodge. We'll kill the white one first, motherfucker. Okay. Time to loot, guys. Purple also.
Okay.
Open it. Okay, someone got lucky.
Not me, bro. Not me.
168.
Not me also.
Okay. We go next. We go next. We go profit, guys.
Yeah, one artifact my pull.
The
Well,
fuck, bro? Paldo, man. Paldo.
R
My
out daw
God.
siya. Arbak.
No, Arbak agad?
Oo,
Nag-arbak
wala,
si
wala nang ano,
wala nang
no connect.
connections, bro.
Okay, okay.
So, okay, guys. We're gonna get bigger next time.
Have every profit in this.
What the fuck? My Arbak got cancelled.
Hold on.
Motherfucker.
Same for you, bro. I tapped it wrong. So let us loot our last. Do you wanna move a bit further? Hello, sir.
Huh? What do you
We
mean,
are back.
Dimas? You still go? Non-stop run, you know. I go in first? Or someone go in?
Wait lang, wala pa si ano, Yeti game.
Wala ba si T?
Don't wait, don't wait. There shouldn't be any problem
Okay.
as long as I'm in the party. Brazilian relaxed so much. Like the city, the roads, everything is so laggy.
Okay. I'll go in first. I'll check the... Okay, we have 2 golds and... What's the other? No connection, but we have 2 golds.
Okay,
Nice.
come.
Yeah, go in.
No connection. Nice.
No connections, but still going.
So
We have...
basically, this road has no portal. Wow.
We are back after we clear boat, guys. Okay.
Yes.
Dimas. Ay,
What do you mean, the math?
tapos na na wakas.
Okay,
If,
we clear
ano,
both. If ano.
if
Oh, what?
good,
No,
it's
stop.
good.
We need good loot. If we get less than 5M of total loots, we must fuck this shit.
From this chest.
Can someone check? here. I'll check here.
Yeah, I'll go check that.
This is 86 map. If this is
Good.
purple, I'm gay.
Yeah.
Oh
I'll go
shit.
check that.
This is not. This is purple. Shit. This is
What's
purple.
down?
How? Oh, someone is clearing there.
No problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, go out, John. What? Ano mo? Anong gear? Hello?
1-2
Yes.
IP.
Jesus
Ayun na.
Christ.
Fucking winnable. You guys want to fight?
Ano, you want, fight?
Let's just clear this. Nice.
Okay, let's just clear, bro.
How do I fight with Iron Root in PvP? Who do I link?
Oh shit.
They also in PvE.
We can one shot clap. But
Yeah, I think so.
if they don't
Could-
die
could-
and they clap
could
back,
be, guys.
we dead.
No.
Out of
That's not it.
um,
Yeah, shooting thing.
Hindi tayo mapapatay nun. 1
Dito
to
kayo
IP,
lahat.
pre.
from Lahila.
Link.
Oh, link.
Sneaky link.
Think this guy.
Nice.
Careful, ah. Careful. They're red on the map. So dodge the skills.
Mm-hmm. What do you call that?
There, he left it.
Attentive. That's right.
Wait,
Let's roll.
this time not dodging is gay. Literally death if you don't dodge. Link them. Full DPS. Nice.
Ouch.
Dodge, okay. The one on the blob. Dodge.
Bomb bokla.
Dropping reset on the middle. Get your heals.
Using my
You
jacket.
kill the white one first. I got black. I got white. What you want?
Prayo the...
Ito.
Hey, the charges are gone. Careful.
Maybe they are gone.
Dodge.
Dodge,
Yeah,
guys.
I think they're gone.
When it's
Dropping reset here. Get your heals.
Dodge the laser. please.
Dodge,
Oh,
bro.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god, T-Gaming. I have aggro.
I am getting.
T-Gaming, dodge the skills, bro. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I got aggro because of you.
Yuri, calm down. Calm down.
Oh my god.
Good boy.
My bad. God.
Wait, let me scout. Let's roll. You here, guys. All in a row.
Link. What the fuck was that me? God.
Oh, shit. I'm lagging so much. Fucking hell. So much lag.
Mm.
Dodge, dodge, dodge.
Dodge.
He's gonna jump. Jesus Christ. Dodges. Jesus Christ, what the fuck is this loot? Let's check the outages.
Parang di pa tapos yan siguro.
Oh, di kayang i-clear yung 1-2s.
Proper gear ba sila?
Hindi eh, kasi nakita ko
Di running proper.
1-2 IP. Tapos fast clear.
naka-bow.
Oh, man.
Normal
If you
na
guys
bow.
want to, if you guys want to fight, we can fight
Yeah, let's fight this.
First
Fucking-
calming. First cal.
Wait, I think they bounce out, bro.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, I
Check.
think so.
But
Yeah.
if
They bounce
they
out.
bounce,
not
we
here.
get this.
T6.
Yeah.
Wait, let me check.
Oh, it's reset na.
Purple.
The
Here, guys.
this reset.
Here, guys. Yes, Rob.
Dodge, bro.
Dodge.
Dodge.
Forget the
Always fuck up the range. They're dealing way more damage than this.
different enemy. Calming and running. When
Fuck up the back line first. Shit, so fast.
Oh, no. It's second.
Jacket.
I guess I'll check it.
Rob.
Dodge.
Roaming first. Pwede isabay ko na yung roaming. Hindi.
Oh,
Go.
sige lang.
Sabay mo na.
Just tier 6, bro.
Wait. Yeah, okay.
That's too far. I'm gonna link with the mesh.
Fuck up the towers first.
Dodge.
Dropping
Check
reset, get your heals. Dropping reset, get your heals. Dodge. Dodge.
Dodge. Fuck.
Let's get
You
like
should calming. Yes.
it's invisible.
Roaming
Oh,
first. Roaming
God.
first.
Clamp up. Clamp on me. Get healthy. Clamp on me.
Roaming first.
There's
Yes. Yeah. Roam.
Dodge,
no
bro.
chance.
Sino yung unahin dito sa tatlo?
Another one.
Tower.
Yung tower
Heal
lang.
tower. Heal tower first. Heal
Dito
tower.
tayo sa
Drop.
gilid.
Drop
Sa
druid.
gilid ba
Drop
tayo?
Drop
Yeah,
druid
I'll
ball
connect
first.
it.
Dito kayo guys.
Do we have
Mid
Druid
road?
Cowl? Druid
Okay.
Cowl, drop for Shimsy, bro.
Go here.
Drop.
Just yung tower first.
Yeah, tower first.
Kill tower first,
Wait,
Archer,
wait.
then
Don't
the
wait
last
yet.
guy.
I'm getting silence. Fuck.
Dodge,
Dodge,
bro.
Dodge, guys. Okay, Link. Okay,
Nice.
tower is gone.
Uy, abalon yun. Rest.
Dito guys. Oh, wait, just wait. Rob.
Okay, tower is just.
Dodge.
Dodge.
Guys.
The fuck?
Dodge.
What the hell? What?
Dub.
Ay, gago, sorry.
Dropping
Dead,
race.
dead.
Get your heals. Get your heals. Drop the race.
Dropping my. Bro, what the fuck is this guy's problem? Bro,
Run here.
he just go, okay, going back and forth.
Ano yung unahin dito? I'm block. Nasabay ko ba yan?
Yung black muna, yung roamer muna.
Mount
Careful,
up.
careful.
Mount up. Right, mount up. Then,
We have to kill it. I don't think it's gonna go
no.
cycle. Go.
Go here, guys. Mount up. Yan kaya muna. Just this
Oh?
one.
Just kill it.
Yeah, just this one. No need to rope.
Yeah, healer is better to be killed alone.
Ano unahin dyan? Block first.
Yung black muna.
Just rope there.
Yeah, monk and healer. Oh my god, that's him.
Dropping reset, ah. Get your heals. Get your heals. Toby Daddy, you're low, ah.
Shit.
Dow Jones, oh my god. Another one.
Third. Mount. Namimitig pa ako.
So hard to see, man.
Yung boss kaya muna.
Pwede naman yung boss muna.
Sige, mobs na lang. Nasa ka?
I'll link with tower.
Wait.
Link with tower.
Dodge, guys.
Okay.
Using chat.
Okay,
Gaming is on you.
Jesus Christ.
Nice.
Tower. I
Blinking
can
with tower.
Calming kaya.
Just
No,
DPS.
no need. Oh my god.
Kaya
Calming?
putang in.
Calming.
Coming.
Again.
Yeah.
Need
Napaka-
6 stack ng robe.
We
Mahirap
need to
kasi
dodge.
hilahin minsan.
So,
Ang tatlong na. Kailan siguro wait lang. Bilangin nyo nga yung robe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Robe kayo muna lahat. Isabay mo yung perma na
Okay.
I'm linking with tower again. Yes.
Dodge.
Just
Okay, pass clear.
using jacket.
Uy,
Okay.
Reg
Bukas
ka,
daling.
Happy Gaming.
Going.
Nigga, I
Who's
just
using
lagged
that?
that last.
The balls. Dodge.
Reg. Counters. Before that. Lahat ba ipapul ko yung 4?
Hindi na ata
Wait lang, roll
kailangan.
first. Ay, itong,
Ayun.
kaya na ba lahat yan?
Priestess only, priestess only.
Kaya
Dodge.
naman siguro.
Kaya yan, kaya isang verse yan, kahit
Wait lang, wait lang.
I-link lang.
yung malulambot lang unahin
Isabay
niya.
nyo yung perma buff sa rogue.
Okay, sige. Okay, Rogue.
Ay, wait lang, wait.
Wait a bit. Yeah.
Ay, ito na lang muna.
Oh no.
Kaya ba?
Do I coming?
Layo.
Calming.
Kill priestess first, kill
Yeah, we
priestess.
can kill it just now. We can kill it.
Qs and Ws only. Qs and Ws only.
Oh, man.
Yeah, first Trix is gonna push
Yeah,
you
but-
out.
I have aggro. What the fuck?
Nice.
Rogue.
Well, she didn't push you behind.
Sige, tabi ulit. Rogue na.
Okay, drop, bro.
Okay, I'll connect the mages.
Dodge.
Dodge. Nice. Okay.
Reset, get your heals.
Nice.
Using my jacket. And
You kill the backline first.
oh my god. I connected them both again. No, that's not.
Ang hirap nga i-connect ng mob pag yung tank pala, ano.
I
Malapit sa
cannot.
mob.
Oh,
My bad.
Last two. I think last 3.
Lahat yan i-pull ka.
Hindi, wag na. Mapeligro.
I
Go.
connected with you instead of mobs.
Kailangan ba yan?
Sige,
Oo,
wag na.
kailangan. Kailangan nata, pre.
Ilog
Di ba
mo na.
bukas?
Ayun, ganun pala mag-pull. After mag-skill nila una.
Sarado pa, pre. Sarado pa.
Meron pang boss eh.
Boss
Yes na
kaya
lang.
muna, tara.
Suntukan na kami nito. Di mo na nalasahan to.
Ay, grabe naman.
Wait lang.
Violent.
Pero,
Oh.
okay na.
Patay. Kinil yung
Okay,
kalaban.
guys.
Magpa 5M na combat mo.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Jacket. Hello, Jacket.
Oh,
Dodge, guys. Jesus Christ. Dodge.
Dodge.
Bro, it's tricky. Take all the damage, bro. Faster, clear.
Kailangan ngayon sa labas, pre.
Oh.
You need to
Sa
clear the
labas.
west side.
Meron pa din
Here.
sa ibang gilid.
Meron din dito.
Wait lang muna kayo, guys.
Wait, what?
Yan muna.
Ano,
Tatlo
saan ba?
dito. To. Here. Heal first.
Dito,
then-
dito. Nice
Ano
link.
nakita ko red sa ay wala. Nakakat yan. Okay na kaya yan?
Open.
Hindi. Check ko na sa kabila. Uy, meron pala dito.
We have this side, west side.
Dito ko na.
Oops, dodge.
Go away. Back. Go away.
Dili na lang natin lahat. Meron pa sa labas.
Dito.
Eto, meron dito.
Ayan, okay na. O, kailangan i-clear lahat.
Hindi, hindi
Pumas
naman
na ata.
kailangan clear lahat. Hindi pa rin?
Hindi.
Hello?
Full clear mo na lang. Fame din.
Tara, full clear.
Come here.
Hindi niya araw. Ay, wala pa.
Yeah,
Wala
guys,
pa.
more fame.
Ito wala pa.
Wala pa ganun.
Bro,
One.
bro.
Napaga ako, sorry. Tangina, punit.
Huwag niyo na i-check yung loot na.
Come
Yeah,
here.
just,
Left side. Come.
no, no, no,
okay
we
na.
don't need
Okay na.
open.
Oh,
Uy!
see?
My
7M.
god, 4.36 mil. Amazing.
Okay, 7.4. Who got that?
I got
Jesus
7.4.
Christ.
Oh, damn.
See?
Bro, this is better than average loot.
Okay,
I
we know
love-
Demas.
Left side. 400k lang sa akin.
500k to me, bro.
This is legit better than average loot.
No, average better. No.
No, of course better. I'm just talking about
Na-check
my
pa ba
Ah,
natin
personal.
yung isa?
Let's go check.
Wait, okay.
Did you guys throw the
Sino
loot?
ba nakakuha ng pinakamalaki?
Hindi ako.
Not
Pero
me,
sa
bro.
7.4.
7. Pero
Seven.
Tugat.
I got
So
7.
you are our Brayo.
Show item, bro. Show item on chat,
Okay.
bro.
7.4,
Sino
3M.
ba
Oh,
siya?
7 for Guardian Boots. Oh.
Mag-arbok na kaya
Okay,
yan.
okay.
And also this royal items too together.
MP?
No. If you're brave enough, you can transport it to Carleon.
No. Arbok
Big
na
money
namin.
on Carleon.
My god, what a request.
Arbak na to.
Why are
Let's
you
go.
dying?
Arbak na Yuri.
Like,
200k are back.
144k. Not bad.
But I think I'm not yet profit with my gears. I think that's okay. I got fame anyway.
As we
I
said,
think I'm-
Fame Farm. We're farming for Fame. Ano, Dimash na?
Demos.
3,
hindi
2,
pala ako host.
1.
Ikaw pala Demos. Ay, ikaw pala host ka.
Okay, guys.
Out ka na ba?
Mag-out ka na ba?
Oo.
Ako hindi pa ako out.
Hahanap kami
Hanap
ng
ka
tank.
healer. Ako
Okay.
magtatang, hanap ka healer.
We
Chat ko lang
do
rin.
not Dimash. We do not Dimash. We just find another tank. Okay, guys.
TY.